Hello students. Today we are going to talk about the topic that is, did women have a revolution? In this topic we will see the changes that came in the lives of women. We know that from the very beginning women worked as an active participant in the revolution. She worked as laundresses, sold flowers, fruits and vegetables in the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the houses of prosperous people to earn for their families. Most women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughters of nobles or wealthier members of the third estate could study, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. Working women had to take care for their families, that is, cook, fetch water, and many other work. Their wages were lower than those of men. In order to voice their interests, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women's clubs came up in different French cities. The most famous of them were the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. One of their main demands was that women should enjoy the same political rights as men. Women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political office. The revolutionary government did introduce laws that helped to improve the lives of women. Schooling was now made compulsory for all girls. Their fathers could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Divorce was made legal and could be applied by both men and women. Women could now be trained for jobs, could become artists and run small businesses. But they were still not given equal political rights. Women's movement continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. The fight for the vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement. The example of the political activities of French women during the revolutionary years was kept alive as an inspiring memory. It was finally in the year 1946 that women in France got the right to vote.